Akwaba and found Gun and Sam TVGH so what frame Adjoa setting.
Kwame, with this year, keeps us with the future MP. And that's it for me now. Ante Mokola catching Akura Mediwadri, and Opena, baby, Akosimensa, the only great than Lati, will be Anna Mechiano, and many opinions so say Evans, baby, also will be a Mechiano. Yes, Regana for say, Yenina, Yenka Mumni and Kanche Yura Mahama. Say to Abama, and to Abama, and say, Debiano, Namamum or Ba, on Fadum so. And then for me try a minute, yes, and we are Kataban, Yatenema, Dum so. Ama, and San Shasi, Gugu, money in a Hadjuni, yes, no, or near the minister, and Casa, Nani ma pa on the Guaqua Madun so no a to be channel, or Mohe no Munujama, Pia.
The ministers become the minute, and this is for Mabana, Quine no Majai, Offinso is here. A quine by a wapa, quine or a uncle, Maya, maybe I'll born a gusu and a custom gas for TV. Some contractor was a normal work. Oh, was a normal work. And a player was a Sabia work. Or you know, in every site. I quine and Kayabi and Cosia for Tigusuno. To send this, why not there's on to us into quine, I sell my Zika and Pimpim Diano. Is Muja, Amasa, Quine, the Abuak, a Senegusu, and Cosia, that's what take a Gusu, Nanka, you Nanka, mine on from almost a Somnoma Apple. Miss Offinso, BSC, and the Akroma bed some no one your Modeco. It is video can yet Tiasia, and this is Wabi, Omon to us, Umbejama, Quinas, I say. They say we almost have been now, my back can see him. I'm out, just will be nigh. Now we are more but now so them, Yakotanka, so them see a Sunyame. Now,
welcome, good morning. Mema, on a pure morning drive, Timmy Nash, and Opera for Simensa, and Yamisho. Welcome, read it, Kakanameka, welcome, light in his too much. And Rapa, the woman see a light and a welcome you. Lights and all the almost are almost, but also 3 minutes in what do you know? So 3 minutes in what Brakwame, too much. Light system ne too much. Omonye hu bibi kakra. But the timetable be ba say be dumno 3 days, 2 days. Me hu say light ni wa ye ne udundum bibi an so dunu bibi. Abra kwa me omo de san no ma say ne ma o so ene ma ne boa ye den. Ti bra kwa me yesra omo ECG. Omo hwe no omo tutu no ma ye no omo nye ne ma yi na ene ma ya age ensemu. Bra kwa me na me fasa akwanya nso ahwe Steven Opoku mensa happy birthday na any birthday obonwe. Bra kwa me ye me pure reports oboni bonwe.
Good morning. Majidi Samuel. Machia Bia of Cosmensa, Lady Amian training, Machano, Penasem Papa. Massam say IGP, Bayina police for Binum Beniajan. Me Massam say, a Tresena Papano or Juma Papa. A Juma no yana SONE. The Jamaican say, Ewo, an answer word Jumum, Nipa. Always say a Juman or de Mra, Bay Juman, a woman of one versus any part on yet. Say any power, always say Pepe, because we're Juman, Ghana for success any pan on yet. Now, hygiene now you see. Three minutes say no be the damn paradiano. If you say, now, oh, yeah, Juma Papa and police for no, they never be say, Baby, Yakananye. And India say, Bayina, Beniagino, Mini Peter. Bye bye.
This is the
of where he started. Declaring those assets, and like guess what? In the first place, these asset declaration agencies are there. That you have to go. Only that it is not made public.
Yeah.
They go and then they do it. When you say you are opening some position, no declare assets, but we know. Or in the broad, and I say even to do it in the broad daylight, Nanado precedes that. But weren't this same NDC people sitting at the back after all the declaration and still shouting, So if somebody is a thief and declaring their asset is going to stop them from stealing, especially after they have been vetted for that office, Mahama is a backward thinker. That is the problem we have. Okay, or a backward thinker, because when we are thinking about digitization, he's thinking about how to give the gas, kinky, and fish. You understand? When we are thinking about building harbors and stuff for them, he's thinking about how he can give them how do they call it, premix. So his thinking and way of doing things is always backwards. And that is why the few intelligent people around him are able to use him. The way of thinking. Say Mahama, okay, and now what's our president? Not chiri.
But
And that is how he is able to train his followers and his supporters. Now, let's talk about this whole declaration. Quick in a little way. Mr. Bansa, now, what are they declaring?
They are declaring their assets, what they have.
What assets? How sure are we, say, they are declaring all the assets that they're supposed to declare? Weren't we in this country, especially when Ibrahim Mohammed's jet was nowhere to be found in action? But as soon as the brother came, he's been able to buy an S-jet.
A second jet. So he has.
Do you understand?
He has 2 jets now.
He has 2 jets now. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
When his brother was in opposition, even the 1 jet alone, he was out to parade it. The moment the brother came into power, now all of a sudden, Ibrahim Mahama has 2 jets. And I'm not saying he's not a rich man. Don't get me wrong. Through his brother, John Dramani Mahama, they've stolen a lot. They've stolen a lot of money. There's a lot of money through it. Because you know what? I say, Mr. Bansa, what you say? Now we were in a position. Now we need some position, no. Now maybe we are to me, the infant to dim, so you have to put it in my name.
Of course.
Isn't that what Okudata Blocker said?
Yeah. That house.
How can you tell me, say, your sister, who is a student, okay, whom you sponsored to go abroad to go and study, is the owner of a mansion you are renting? That's the chairman of the oral committee, by the way. What assets are they really declaring? Are they giving us what they want us to know, or what they feel, okay, this one is safe for you to know? And in any case, who does not know, say, Ibrahim Mahama has been fronting for his brother. Ibrahim Mahama is sick and Niama Bebriba when in a free buy one at the man.
So, fellas, what are you saying? What are you insinuating?
I'm saying is that he steals and he puts it in his brother's name. And that is how his people are. What we are for? Okudato Broka, Okovieska de Cosidaya, Okoto Big Mansion was in your student there. Nagan and near Jedi, and they are hailing this stupid boy. These are the things that get me angry. This guy has stolen in broad daylight. Okudato Broka, finally come and show us the things you said you have. Come and show us evidence. All of a sudden, he's renting an 8,000 a month mansion and he's getting 15,000 Ghana cedis a month.
$8,000 or 8,000 Ghana cedis.
$8,000, 8,001 Ghana cedis. Airport sales, do you see? Do they pay in cedis there?
No, they don't pay in cedis. But
Chado, do they? Those who rent in Chado, do they pay in cedis? The guy is lying. He's a liar. He's a trickster and a thief. And that is why, to draw the attention from him, he's going about telling, and I'm going to look at the silly thing that happened. There's this third vice chair, Omari Wadie. There's a car he uses. I've actually sat in that car before. Because when we were going on the tour for the campaign, he was part of the team that was running with the second lady. So I had, and him, I knew him through Hobson. Through Hobson, that was how I met her. I'm like, Chairman, what dear? And he has so many cars. And I'm talking about proper cars. He's not a poor guy. He's not a puppet. He's not a Sami Jenfi who stole Nkokwa and then graduated to become the owner of taking care of gold. No. He is somebody that has worked.